Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either landscape or portrait mode. After that, you walk in. What you need to do here now is to be using your phone to do anything of your choice, or you can do any other thing entirely. Just you sit here for a few seconds, all right? Then after that, the next thing you are going to be doing now is that you are going to be standing up, okay? So when you stand up, you walk out a bit from your sitting point where you sat now. Just walk out a bit, then you can turn and look at yourself for a few seconds. After looking at yourself for a few seconds, then you can now walk out from the scene, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut, new video, look at it there. I want to use a separate background for the video, so import this background here, put it to your workspace, click on volume there, click it and click on volume and reduce it to 0. So at this point we want to duplicate the background because it's too short. Locate duplicate it, maybe into 5 places or thereabout. After that, you will now come back to the beginning of the video, locate overlay and click on overlay there, look at it, add overlay, then you import this your video to workspace. All right, you want to locate where you want this your video to start from. So from this point you click it, you are going to be making a split and delete the first part. Click it and drag it to the beginning of the video guys, then you locate where you want this your video to end, okay? Locate where you want it to end, okay? From this place, click it and make another split and delete this part, okay? Then at the end now, you come to the beginning of the video, okay? You click on the second layer your video and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG, click on remove BG auto removal, then you allow it to remove completely guys. As you can see that it is applying, all right? But like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Just in case you have a magic tricks or effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section, then we are going to attend to it, okay? If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? And make sure you watch this video to the end. That is the only way you can support us, okay? Locate your notification bell and smash on it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? You are welcome back to this tutorial. As you can see that it is still removing. Now he has removed completely. You mark on that good there, then you are going to be going back, click on your video and expound it, make it fit the screen. After making it fit the screen, you position it, then go and look for your standing up to make sure that it align. You can see that your head, so you click it and drag it down back again so that your head and your full body will show. After that, you come to this point where you stand up. This point where you stand up, you click it and make a split. Click on this one and drag it under the video, okay? You position it how you would want it to be. Let us play it now and see how it's going to look like after your necessary adjustment. Play it, let's see how it's going to look like. Look at it, this is nice, okay? But you can see we did not silence the volume and mark on that. Click on this one, mark on volume, reduce this to 0, mark on this good and go back. Then after that, now look at the result of what we have got. But don't rush, we are not done with the video yet. Just exercise patience and watch the video. I will be telling you the next thing we are going to be doing. Look at the video now. After looking at yourself, then you are going to walk out, then you come back now, and then you click here. We are going to be splitting. You can see we have gotten what we want. Make a split, click and make a split here, delete that last part, we don't need it again. Then you are going to come back, look at how it's going to play. Then you come back and click on this second layer here and click on splice. Then you can add this filter. Just click on this filter here, mark on that good and go back. Look at how it's going to play now. Look at how it's going to play now. You can see, fantastic. Look at it there. So after watching it, what we are going to be doing now is the background is too long, okay? So we are going to be making a split at the background point. Okay, look at it. So you click on this background here, click on this background, then you make a split and delete it. Then you can trim it to be equal with the video. After that, we are going to come back. We are still going to be clicking on this second layer again. We are going to be adding something. So click on this second layer and click on animation. You add fading to it. Add fading. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, we are going to be playing the video from the beginning. So at this point, this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After adding them, you export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them. I want you to put me through. My number is at the description of this video. DM me. I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, you click on export here, then you export your video to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have any magic tricks or effects you would like us to create together, drop it at the comment section. All right. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Smash on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.